You are currently in the middle of making a big decision in your life, pero hindi mo alam kung ano yung pipiliin mo. Kung pupunta ka ba dito sa path na to or dito, kasi feeling mo kulang pa yung information para makagawa ng decision. So, you are currently searching for more information. You are confirming the information bago ka mag-create ng decision. Ganun siya ka-importante kasi hindi mo pa daw nakikita yung mga information para makagawa ka ng confident decision. Okay, so if you're seeing this message, I feel na meron kang makuha sa reading na ito. If you are seeing this video, ayan, just take what resonates and leave what doesn't. This is a collective reading and we are tapping into the energy of the collective. Okay, so angels, ancestors, spirit guides, what is the message that you want this collective to know today? So, tingnan natin. Ano nga ba itong pinagde-decidean mo? Oh, I feel you are deciding if you are going to walk away and let go. If you will be going towards something na towards your purpose, or look for something na mafe-feel mo na you will be fulfilled. So, iniisip mo kung ile-let go mo ba tong something na to, if you will be walking away, iiwan mo ba tong situation or person or situation na to for something na will give you joy, spark, ayan, or you will be facing it with truth. You will be facing it honestly kasi alam mo sa sarili mo na ayaw mo pa talagang i-let go ito. I feel na nakikita mo pa na may future pang mapupuntahan, may growth pa mapupuntahan etong something na hindi mo pa ma-let go or hindi mo pa ma-decide on right now. So, you are torn if you will let go and pursue something that will make you feel fulfilled or make you feel happy, or you will stay kasi you are still very dedicated and you feel na may patutunguhan pa tong pinanghahawakan mo. There is still potential, okay? Meron pang future itong something na to. Okay. So, if you let go, kung bitawan mo man ito, kasi you are stuck between if you are letting go or if you will be staying, if you will keep holding on. If you will let go, it will bring you peace. It will bring you stability in life. Pwede rin na you might be celebrating or you with yourself, okay? You will be celebrating something. Magiging parang you will be stable in terms of your mental health. You will be stable in terms of your emotional health, ganyan. So, magiging balance ka. There will be harmony. You will be happy. You will be celebrating with the people that matter. Kasi nga parang you got free. Parang nagkaroon ka ng freedom nung nag-let go ka dito sa something na pinanghahawakan mo na hindi mo pa ma-decidean. So, ano naman mangyayari? If you keep holding on, since you see na meron pang future to. So, we got the Queen of Wands. So, you are very confident, sure ka, you are very determined, you are optimistic na may future pa rin to. So, if you keep holding on, hihintayin mo lang talaga, maghihintay ka pa din. Pero kasi confident ka na may future ito, na very passionate ka, and you feel, malakas talaga yung feeling mo. You feel very honest and very passionate dito sa pinanghahawakan mo. Kaya hindi ka makapag-decide, no? Kaya hindi mo maisip kung ano ba talaga ang pipiliin ko. So, let's see. We got the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so I feel that this situation is something that is giving you an opportunity for stability, for security, for abundance, and something siya na ino-offer ng situation na to. This is an opportunity for you to grow. So, kung ano man yung mapipili mong choice, this is, kahit alin pa dito, yung piliin mo, it is an opportunity for you to grow. So, either magle-let go ka, or you will stay, it will still give you an opportunity for growth. Ayan. Okay. Can we get one more card, please? Final card, let's see. Ano pa bang sabihin ng universe sa'yo? We got the Seven of Swords. So, I feel na sinasabi lang ni Seven of Swords ay tingnan mo mabuti kung ano ba yung makukuha mo sa dalawang sides na to. Tingnan mo mabuti if it is, be strategic kung paano ka magde-decide. Tingnan mo muna yung mga resources na available sa'yo before you make a decision. And kaya ka nga nasa Two of Swords era ngayon kasi you are still looking for more information before you make a decision. So, ayun nga, ang sinasabi lang, if you let go, you will feel freedom, you will celebrate, you will be more stable in life kasi mawawalan ka na ng isipin. Pero if you still keep holding on, if you still see potential in this, you are feeling confident na may future pa naman tong pinanghahawakan mo na to. So, ayan. So, if this message resonated with you, mag-comment na lang kayo dyan. And I hope na this message helped you today. If ever may pinagdadaanan kayo na hindi nyo alam kung magde-decide ba kayo, kung magla-let go, or if you will still keep on holding on. So, ayan. See you guys on the next reading. Just remember, take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Okay, bye. Have a good day.